I really like this portable synthesizer. It has a good sound to it, and a lot of fun, a lot of instruments you can bring into it. Has easy to read directions of various languages as well. So let's just get into how this sounds. There's the bass. And then to change, you just hold up here, and then you're going to select, say, chords down here. Then this will light up there. You can go like this. You can come up here, and you can change the keys. And then you can change beats per minute, especially if you're doing drums or something like that. Like I said, just a lot of fun. I'm just doing it here with one hand, by the way, as well. And I really like it. Just a lot of good things in it. The exterior is very rugged, so if you drop it, I'm sure this will survive. There's the metal back here for the speaker. As you can see, the speaker sounds really good. When it lays down, this is a little bit elevated there, which is really cool as well. So maybe a little bit more elevation would have been a better idea. I can really hear it well when it lays down. So all the touch features are there, and you can record whatever you make, from everything from lead to chords to bass to drums. There's samples in it as well. Lots of things you can do. You got scales and everything. You have play and pause. So that's it in a nutshell. I would come you have speakers that you can play through your aux cord. You have the mic there, and you have the USB charging port there. Everything's included. Works really good. I really like it a lot. A lot of fun too. Just sit and play and make some music. It's great with people or even solo.